Are you tired of your browser slowing you down? Frustrated with endless tabs and confusing settings? Well, you're not alone. We've heard your cries for help, and today we're here to transform your Google Chrome experience from mundane to mind-blowing. We've gathered the ultimate arsenal of Chrome tips and tricks that will not only simplify your browsing, but also make you wonder why you haven't been using these hacks all along. So without wasting more time, let's start the countdown of 5 useful Chrome tricks and tips. If you are a beginner in TechWorks, so you didn't know before that Google Chrome consumes many memory RAM of your PC, and it will slow down your PC performance. To avoid this problem in future, go to Chrome Settings, then click on the Performance tab and turn on the Memory Saver toggle. In the next step, click on the System menu and turn off Continue Running Background Apps toggle. It will close your all background after closing Google Chrome. Whenever you guys want to download any image from Chrome, the biggest problem is that the images are of different types, WebP, JPEG. So many formats, and some of the formats are not supported. What you have to do is download Save Image as Type extension in your Chrome. And now whenever you want to download an image, you have to right-click on it, select the one you like format, and download the image. Means the process will remain the same, only you will be able to select the image type easily. If you want to make your browsing secure, and you want no anyone website can track your history, so this setting will be very helpful for you. Go to Chrome Settings again, and click on the Privacy and Security menu. Then click on the Security tab, and scroll down. You need to enable with Custom DNS option, and then select Cloudflare DNS. It will make your browsing secure. To enable this setting, click on the Startup menu. Here is always to select that Continue where you left off. This is such a nice setting that as many Chrome browsers 10 and 15 are open as you close it, they all open. No data is lost. This is especially useful when you have to restart your computer. All those tabs will be open automatically. Last but not least, you use the address bar of Google Chrome to write the name of a website, to write its URL, but it also has a built-in calculator. It gives the result. It will immediately give you the result. There is a complete calculator. If you don't have the calculator app, then it immediately gives you the result in the address bar. You can also use the easy calculator. You may remember that at one time, IDM used to download everything very fast, and the same thing was slow to download on the browser. Because it was using parallel downloading, that's why it was downloading files quickly. The best thing is, you can do this setting in your Chrome. In the URL bar above, you have to type Chrome:2/ and write flags. Then all experiments will open. Then you need to write parallel in the flags search bar. Now we will enable the parallel option, which will increase our downloading speed up to 5x. And don't forget to click on relaunch.